Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Time to Read. For today's lesson, do you have your whiteboard and whiteboard marker ready? Your Time to Read workbook, and of course the Time to Read app. Boys and girls, before we start today's lesson, let's read the letters we've been learning so far. Can you tell me why it's so important that we can read all the letters we're learning? Yes, boys and girls, because if we can read letters, we can read words. Are you ready to go? I want you to read the letter first, and then I will say it. K. N. T. A. M. E. P. And lastly, O. Well done, boys and girls. Now, boys and girls, I wonder if you know what the word sight means. Boys and girls, sight means to look. Now, there are some words that we call sight words, and it's because we want you to learn to read them very fast. So that means you look at them and you can read them. But boys and girls, remember, if you can't read it straight away, you know how to do it. Just simply sound it out. Okay, let's have a go. Let's try this out. An. 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 Am. Am. On. On. At. At. A. That wasn't so difficult. Now, boys and girls, are you ready to learn a new letter? You already know how this works. Boys and girls, I want you to say the word sap. Do you know what sap is? Sap is the juice running out of a tree. Please say sap and sound it out. S-A-P. Now let's draw a sound dot for every sound. S-A-P. Boys and girls, the sound we're going to learn today is the S sound. Yes, it's right in front of the word. Now, boys and girls, you already can write A. You also can write P. Let me show you what S looks like. Yes, that's right. Someone says it looks like a snake. It really, really does. Boys and girls, let's read our letters. S, A, P. Sap. Now let me show you where S stays on our alphabet frieze. Right next to T. Let me hang A and P back in their correct places as well. Now, boys and girls, are you ready for another sound? Please say the word sit and sound it out. S-it. Now, let's draw sound dots for every sound. S-it. Where can you hear the I sound? Right in the middle. Boys and girls, please say I with me. I. Let's say it again. I. I. Can you hear hear how quick and short that sound is? Let's say it one more time. Eh. Well done. Now, boys and girls, we've just learned what S looks like. We know what T looks like. Now, boys and girls, let me show you what I looks like. Boys and girls, please say it again with me. I. And one more time. I. Now, we are ready to read the word S. It. Sit. Shall we build one more word together? Let's first hang up the I and S and T, and let's build one more word together. The word is set. I set the table. Say it, sound it out. S-et. Draw sound dots for every sound. S-et. Now use the alphabet freeze to look what the letters look like. S. Can you find E? And lastly, T. Well done. Let's read the letters. S, E, T. Set. Now, boys and girls, now I need you to get your whiteboard and whiteboard marker closer, because you're going to build some words by yourself. Are you ready? The first word is it. Sound it out and draw dots. Write the letters. Now check if your word looks like mine. It. 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 Well done. Next word, man. Draw sound dots for every sound. Write the letters. You know where to look if you forgot. Check if your word looks like mine. M, a, n. M, a, n. M, a, n is the word man. Boys and girls, this little boy has a pet. Where is the pet? It is in the pet box. In. I want you to build the word in. Sound it out and draw sound dots. Write the letters. Check if your word looks like mine. I, n. I, n. In. Let's read all three words. It, man, man, in. Now we will divide into our groups. Group 1 will be reading a paper reader. Group 2, you will be using picture cards to build some words with bottle tops. Group 3, you will be doing a page in the handwriting book. And Group 4, you will be playing a lotto game or do an activity on the Time to Read app. Boys and girls, let's think, what did we learn today? We learned what the letters, what the sounds S and I look like. And we also learned where they go on the alphabet freeze. Boys and girls, I'm so excited about our learning, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.